She call me daddy, make her real happy. Yeah, I mean happy.
What's up to the vlog, bitch? So yeah, I went to go check on the car. Now I'm at some little food place. I don't know where I'm at, but this is on hard. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. It's called I do not know. This is what it's called right here. So yeah, I don't know why. It's like a mall, but yeah, I'm gonna pick this up when I'm doing something later. I just dropped 1,000 on the car. Hopefully we get that junk. Woo! I see the food now. I ain't gonna lie. This junk look like it's finna slap. Can't show myself because I'm ugly right now. I ain't got no beanie on. I just woke up and I still didn't eat. So yeah, I'm finna crunch. I'm gonna pick this vlog up in a minute though. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hey my guys, I'm sweating and stuff, bro. I'm helping my uncle move stuff out this house to the other house. Yeah, oh my dad. Scoop face. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get a bucket for the vlog. I really get a bucket for the vlog. Oh, bucket for the vlog. Hey, lady. Oh, stop playing. Yeah. What you play with? I don't play nothing no more. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what that nigga talking about. His little face, cookies, I don't know. They don't want no smoke with me, but nigga, fuck on that nigga. I'm finna run upstairs real quick. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what I'm doing the rest of the day. It's like 9 o'clock, so we got like about 2 hours left in the day before I go to sleep. Yeah, we too. Flow stuff. Pooping this snake when it's time to go run. I'm gonna fail. It's hard to see that. I was like a movie. I'm flipping through chapters. 17 months, I done turned to a rapper. Are you trying to sneak in here? That boy trying to sneak some food. Yeah, my phone turned off. That boy trying to sneak some food. I caught it. Hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I'll pick this up when I leave it. You see that, right? You call, we haul. Construction coupe. Huh? Yeah, y'all skipped. I lied to y'all. Now go back and finish watching the video. Y'all some fake ass niggas. I ain't got no car show right now, but yeah, I better keep waiting, boy. Love y'all though. It's my vlog. Your vlog? Yeah. Who's vlogging? Bro, I'm talking that name. Hey, we out there. Woo! Hey, my boys, what's up, my guys? Right now, we at the little car meet spot. We went on that bit to start. I came here like 10 minutes early because they will be packed out. Yes, sir. Look, he finna spin out her right now, probably. Nah, but yeah, that's what we doing right now. I just finished helping my uncle move in there. So yeah, show y'all some action, bitch. Woo! What's up, my guys? Hey, I just got me some snacks, bitch. I just got through helping my uncle move. Now I'm sitting her at the it's gonna be a car meeting in that hoe. So yeah, that's what we finna get into today. That's what y'all boys finna see. Put some clips in that hoe. I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired, so if they set this spot down, I ain't going to the second spot, my fault. But yeah, I picked the hoe up when we rocking bit. I'll see them boys pulling in, my guy. I ain't gonna lie. I'm pulling in last. I'm not even tripping. You know, black people always get the tripping sometimes. So, you know, I'm the first nigga out there, hoe. Yeah. First nigga out there, hoe. I already see, boy. That hoe finna be packed, boy. That hoe hard right there on God. Stop playing, bitch. We out there though. Hey, bro. Hey, appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. I ain't gonna lie, y'all can either look at this ugly ass nigga for the rest 2 minutes of the video, or like shit. Cause I just need 7 minutes. I ain't posting none. I mean, I ain't showing no more clips. Y'all just gonna have to look at this ugly ass nigga. When you click out the video, you're a real nigga. Woo.